I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make scrambled eggs. First, gather your ingredients and tools. You'll need 2 large eggs, a small bowl, and a fork. Don't forget 1 tablespoon of milk or water, which makes the eggs extra fluffy. Also, grab a small non-stick pan and a spatula. A tiny pinch of salt and pepper will add a delicious touch to your breakfast. Now let's get those eggs ready. Carefully crack 2 large eggs into your small bowl. Next, add 1 tablespoon of milk or water. This secret ingredient helps make your scrambled eggs wonderfully light and fluffy. Don't forget to sprinkle in a tiny pinch of salt and pepper for flavor. Then, use your fork to whisk the egg mixture vigorously until it's a uniform, light yellow color, with no clear streaks remaining. Time to cook. Place your small non-stick pan on the stove and turn the heat to medium-low. Add about 1 teaspoon of butter or oil to the pan and let it melt or warm up. Once the pan is ready, pour your whisked egg mixture directly into it. Let the eggs sit undisturbed for about 30 seconds. This allows the bottom to set slightly, creating a nice base for scrambling. Now for the fun part, scrambling. Using your spatula, gently push the cooked edges of the eggs towards the center of the pan. Continue to fold and stir the eggs for about 1 to 2 minutes. You want them to be mostly set but still look a little moist and creamy. Overcooking makes them dry, so watch them closely. Once they reach your desired consistency, remove them from the heat and serve your delicious scrambled eggs immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.